Hello YouTube, Kubota G5200 Puller here. Today we're doing an update. I tried to make a video before this, but it ran out of time because I had too many other videos and stupid pictures and stuff yet that I had to delete. So hopefully this one works out better for us because we're in the shop on this one. The last one started in the house. But anyway, let's get to the update. Wait, what? Where? What? Alright, which one of my viewers of you stole my cub? Whichever one of you it is, I'm gonna find you, and you're gonna wish you hadn't. Nah, don't worry, I'm just kidding with you guys. The cub's up in the barn, getting out of here because I am soon getting a new tractor. That might be going right there where the cub was sitting. It's a Case. Not sure what model it is yet though, but we believe it. I believe it is a 222 though, which is a 12-horse Kohler K301 engine under the hood. Yeah. It's just a bunch of baloney, you guys. A big old ring and bologna sandwich. Don't you dare say bologna sandwich. You're gonna make me hungry. I'm just kidding with you again, you guys. Alright, let's just get to the updates mainly on this tractor right here. The John Deere 1974 John Deere 112 electric lift variable speed. It's got Peerless 2300 4-speed transmission with reverse, so it's got 4 forward gears. For those of you who don't know about that, this is actually a this is going to be a polling tractor build. Was originally just going to be a work tractor, but I've decided to do not a tribute build, but an honor build. I guess you could call that a tribute build, but my grandfather gave me this tractor a few years ago. He was a jet mechanic in the U.S. Air Force side in the Korean War. So this tractor has a story behind it. The reason why I'm the way I'm going to be building it with a military theme. Olive drab green. That's going to be on the hood, fenders, the grill. I'm debating if I want to put that back to keep it black or paint match it with green, and also do the side panels there that hold the grill in OD green. So that side panels, hood, frame, fenders, this right here, right there, that's going to be OD green. The rims are going to be OD green. However, the hubs are here on the box. See, they're black lugs too. On the front has a wheel slide on. They've got this collar here that goes on over the wheel like this to hold the wheel on. Your bolt goes through that, which is also black. There's the bolts for both front bolts. So all front and rear lug bolts are black. The rear hubs are black. The front collars are black. I'm debating on if I want to make my shift plate keep it black or put it to OD green to match. Shifter itself, don't know if I want to make it black or go OD green with it. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think I should do for the shifter and the plate there. Like I said before, Peerless 2300 4-speed with the reverse. Yeah, engine there is going to be getting rebuilt. But anyway, the reason why I'm building this tractor in honor of my grandfather being the fact that he was, well, a U.S. war veteran. Anyway, but he actually passed away 2 weeks ago. I believe it's 2 weeks. He had 3 strokes. Third one was bad and it ended up killing him. Hang on. Well, dang you guys, I should have put that in the video. That was tractor related. Aren't I stupid? Cause it's a Kubota too. Anyway, he passed away 2 weeks ago due to another stroke. Like, it's hard, that's for sure. It's gonna be a stock class tractor puller. This definitely look, I know is gonna be good alongside of Old Glory, which is my Cub. Y'all have seen that one, red, white, and blue one. There's a old blue circle thing is the same as that. There is the air cleaner cover. But I'm still debating on what I want to get for tires on the back of this thing because I'm gonna be getting different rims. I'll be painting green. Focus. Because these rims are too skinny. Yeah, they're basically the same size rims as the Cub had, but these have good tires on them still, but they're only 8.5 wides, which are, I find a bit be too skinny for pulling. Not as much contact patch with the ground. There we go. They are 8.512 Carlisle Power Track tires. I'll keep them for like transportation and whatnot, like to move the tractors around and stuff. I'll just like pull off the big fat pullers, which will probably stick out to about here, roughly. Whereas these ones don't even stick out, but maybe that's only stick out about an inch. Not even. So that's pretty skinny. That's like when I have them sucked in under. The 10.5 wides on 10-inch wide wheels, or wheels for a 10.5 wide tire, is gonna, either way, is gonna stick out, depending on the back spacing, but it's not gonna have one of the same back spacings as these wheels, because they're wider on the other ones. Chicken. But yeah. It's hard on me with this stuff. I'm also going to be getting Grandpa's truck too. It's a 95 F-150. Except for it does have an R title. For those of you who don't know what R title is, means it's reconstructed or rebuilt. Meaning at one point in time the truck was claimed a total loss, but someone rebuilt it. The truck is still passing inspection after the rebuild. And it's pretty rusty, but it's passing, luckily. Definitely probably going to fix up that truck too. It's an extended cab long box. Four-wheel drive, 5.8 liter Ford EFI, which stands for electronic fuel injected, which is better than a carbureted engine. I'm gonna guess it's pretty good. But yeah, still got going hunting here. Stupid chicken. Got the turbo on there. No, I got two weights. I found another one at Grandpa's farm. Get down! American flag, Confederate flag, and a big Confederate flag there, 3x5 that I hang out front my shop. I got from Hick Life. I also have a Hick Life hoodie, but I'm not wearing it right now because I'm wearing this hoodie. Chrome stacks mind if I smoke them. Yeah. One of the I wouldn't mind having them as a sponsor because I'll be using one of their products eventually. I'll be getting an XDP fuel tank sump. Also, these guys, Equus Performance Tacks and Gauges, because I am running two of their gauges. Oil pressure gauge, which glass is broken. I'm gonna have to get a new one. And a boost gauge, because I've got this puppy here and there. Big old turbo. Hick Life there. Hick Life there. That's Hick Life loud and proud. Thanks to my buddy Sean Morris over there at hicklife.com. Go check him out. This is Kubota G5200 Puller signing off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you and have a great day.